Welcome to Ripples of Affirmations, where we dive into a transformative journey of gratitude for the present moment. In the next 6 minutes, immerse yourself in a cascade of affirmations designed to awaken appreciation for the beauty of now. Stay with us until the end, and let these affirmations guide you into a deeper sense of gratitude for the present moment. Your journey to mindfulness and thankfulness begins now. Instructions. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Take a moment to center yourself, breathing in the present moment and letting go of any distractions. 2. As each affirmation is shared, allow it to resonate within you, awakening a sense of gratitude for the unique blessings of the present. 3. Let these affirmations be a reminder to savor the richness of the now, cultivating a mindset of appreciation for every moment. 4. Carry the essence of gratitude with you, embracing the present with an open heart and a renewed appreciation for the beauty that surrounds you. Affirmations. I am grateful for the gift of this present moment, a canvas for me to paint the colors of joy, love, and appreciation. With each breath, I inhale the beauty of the now, exhaling any worries or regrets, fully embracing the present. I express gratitude for the simple pleasures that surround me in this moment, turning ordinary experiences into extraordinary blessings. As I anchor myself in the present, I find gratitude in the awareness that each moment is a chance for growth and renewal. I appreciate the uniqueness of this moment, recognizing that it will never come again, making it a precious gift. In the stillness of now, I am grateful for the peace that resides within, a sanctuary of calm in the midst of life's currents. I am thankful for the lessons embedded in the present, knowing that they shape me into the person I am destined to become. With an open heart, I welcome the opportunities that this moment offers, embracing the infinite possibilities that unfold before me. In this moment, I release the weight of the past and the uncertainties of the future, grounding myself in the now. I express thanks for the beauty that exists in the ordinary, transforming each moment into a celebration of life. As I cultivate gratitude for the present, I realize that every breath is a reminder of the preciousness of life. I am grateful for the connections I have in this moment, cherishing the relationships that add depth and meaning to my life. With each step, I walk in gratitude, acknowledging the ground beneath me and the journey that unfolds with every stride. I appreciate the symphony of sounds in this moment, recognizing that each note contributes to the melody of my existence. In the present, I find gratitude in the resilience of my spirit, knowing that challenges are opportunities for growth and strength. As I immerse myself in the now, I am grateful for the senses that allow me to experience the richness of the world around me. I express thanks for the opportunities for kindness and compassion that present themselves in this moment, creating ripples of goodwill. With gratitude, I acknowledge the power of choice, understanding that I can shape my present and influence my future. I am thankful for the moments of stillness, where I can hear the whispers of my soul and connect with the essence of who I am. In the present, I find gratitude for the breath of life, a constant reminder of the divine energy that flows through me. I appreciate the alignment of mind, body, and spirit in this moment, creating a harmonious dance of existence. As I embrace the now, I express thanks for the beauty that surrounds me, recognizing it as a reflection of the beauty within. I am grateful for the laughter and joy that fills this moment, a reminder of the happiness that resides in the simplest of pleasures. With gratitude, I open my heart to the infinite possibilities that this present moment holds, knowing that miracles unfold in the now. In the awareness of now, I express thanks for the unfolding journey of self-discovery and personal growth. I appreciate the interconnectedness of all things in this moment, recognizing the unity that binds us to each other and the universe. I am thankful for the stillness of the present, a canvas upon which I can paint my dreams and aspirations. As I anchor myself in gratitude for the present, I am mindful of the love that flows within and around me. In this moment, I express thanks for the resilience of my spirit, knowing that challenges are stepping stones to a brighter future. I am grateful for the balance that exists in the now, allowing me to navigate life with grace, purpose, and authenticity. With each heartbeat, I am reminded of the vitality of the present, a gift that invites me to live fully and with intention. I appreciate the simplicity of this moment, recognizing that within its simplicity lies the profound beauty of existence. I express thanks for the unfolding chapters of my life, understanding that each moment contributes to the narrative of my journey. In the present, I am grateful for the opportunities for kindness and connection, fostering a sense of community and belonging. With gratitude, I embrace the present as a canvas for creating memories that will forever enrich the tapestry of my life. I am thankful for the challenges of this moment, knowing that they are opportunities for growth, resilience, and transformation. As I immerse myself in the now, I express thanks for the infinite blessings that flow through my life, seen and unseen. I appreciate the power of gratitude to transform my perspective, allowing me to see the present through the lens of love and appreciation. In the stillness of now, I express gratitude for the sacredness of this moment, a space where I connect with the divine within. I am thankful for the journey that brought me to this moment, recognizing that every step has led me to where I am meant to be. With gratitude, I embrace the present as a gift, a treasure trove of experiences, emotions, and opportunities waiting to be explored. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us in this empowering session of gratitude for the present moment. If you found these affirmations uplifting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more content that encourages mindfulness and positivity. Share this video with those seeking to cultivate gratitude in the now. Until next time, take care.